Hey everybody! In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to create professional e-commerce product photos using Freepik AI image generator. No camera, no studio, just AI magic. So let's just get started for that. You can start by opening up your browser and go to freepik.com and log into your account if you're not logged in, or create an account at the moment. It is free and super quick. So once you are here, you can go over to their AI generator tool, which is this one right here, generate image. So you can go over and open up that page where you can generate your image and turn your product ideas into high quality visuals in seconds. So here you should be finding the prompt box. Here you can describe your product very clearly. So here, just go ahead and describe your product. Type in your prompt. For example, I have typed in a prompt. You can type in the prompt that you want for your specific product. You can also mention the background types like white, wooden table, or pastel colors backdrop, perfect for online stores. You can add it up, and you can choose up a realistic model. So for model type, you can select this option called model. And once you select it up, you can select this option for mesh stick. It will give your product depth, reflection, and accurate lighting, which is a premium version. So you can just go ahead and apply it up. And once you apply it up, you just need to go ahead and click on this option called generate. Before that, you can add up different style, composition, etc. as well. But for now, let's just go ahead and click on generate. After you click on generate, you just need to wait for a few seconds and you will get the versions of your product image. There we go. You can just go over and select the image that is shown on your screen right now. You can pick the one that matches your brand style. You can just go over and recreate it, upcycle it, even create a video for it, add it to video project, use the image, etc. And you can just go over and even review the background and change the background, add shadows and reflections, insert up your brand logo here. You can just go ahead and click on the option for recreate, etc., or select this option for edit image for that. And once you do so, you can just go over and adjust it, add up brand logos, etc. And when you're done, you can download your image in high resolution PNG or JPEG form, ready to upload on Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. So look out for this export option and click on it and select the export option and click on download. And that way, that's how you create a very stunning e-commerce product photos using Freepik AI image generator. Very fast, realistic, and totally beginner friendly. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and that's it.